Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a short video where I will give you an overview about my podcast setup. So this video is divided into two parts. First one is I will show the tools I'm using for podcasting. Second part will be the softwares which I'm using for the podcasting. First important tool for podcasting is mic, which I'm using right now. One important thing about podcasting is the quality of your voice. Until and unless your voice quality is not that much good, then no one will hear your podcast. Matlab your retention level will be very low down. That's why you should buy a decent mic. Okay. Right now I'm using this mic, which is Maono AUA03. Matlab it is recommended by most of the people. That's why I brought this mic. You can also buy this. Currently the price of this mic is around 3500, but I bought this under the budget of 2200. So yeah, this is the first important thing you should have in your podcast setup. Now coming back to the second important tool, which is your camera. Generally for the podcasting, मतलब तुम्हें podcasting के लिए कैमरा की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but if you want to get more audience, then you should create podcast in your video format, because video format से crowd भी ज़्यादा increase होता है, मतलब your followers भी ज़्यादा increase होते हैं. So that's why you should create video format for your podcasting. So generally I have a laptop which has a camera, but their resolution and megapixel is very low. That's why I buy this webcam, which is a MI webcam, and it cost me around 1200. So yeah, it's a budget friendly webcam. So and its quality is not that much good, but yeah, it's decent. Quality is good, better than the other web cameras. So that's why I prefer this. Now the third important tool which I'm using on my day-to-day on my podcasting is headphones. So this is the Sennheiser HD 450B2 Bluetooth wireless headphone, and yeah, it's very मतलब बहुत ही light weighted है and बहुत ही cool लगता है, and yeah, I'm using it on my day-to-day basis. Now you might be curious कि हाँ ये कितने का है, मतलब what is the cost of this headphone? Do you want to guess? No? So if you check it right now in the Amazon, it costs around 12,000. मतलब तुम्हें जान के हैरानी होगी कि हाँ I get this free of cost. So as I am a developer student club lead, I get a onboarding kit. So उस किट के अंदर ये हेडसेट आया था. So thanks to the developer student club for giving this precious gift. So yeah, I'm using it on my podcasting. So these are the three most important tools you can use while you're podcasting. By the way, if you want to start your podcasting, then you need not to buy all these things. As a beginner, you should start with your earphones. That you can use earphones while recording the episodes. And if you have a budget, then you can buy all these tools. So these are the three tools. Now let's discuss about the apps or website I'm using for my podcasting. Number one in the list is Calendly. Calendly is the app for scheduling appointment, meeting with the guest. अर्लियर क्या होता था कि यू हैव टू मेल दैम कि हाँ व्हेन आर यू फ्री, देन वो रिप्लाई करेगा कि हाँ मैं इस दिन फ्री हुई है, तो इससे ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलेंडर यू कैन शेयर द लिंक एंड द गेस्ट कैन ईजिली बुक the time or the date as per your convenience and their convenience. So it's a good app. You can, and it's, by the way, it's a free of cost. Second, number two in the list is Google Meet. Google Meet I'm using for hosting my podcast. Okay, so and you can see that it's a user friendly and everyone is using. So सबके पास Google Meet हो गई. That's why I'm using Google Meet for the podcasting. Problem in the Google Meet is कि हाँ जब भी तुम record करते हो, you cannot simultaneously record both the people. So to overcome this problem, I'm using OBS. So with the help of OBS, OBS, I can record the screen and I can record the simultaneously both the people. So that's why for the recording, for the particular recording purposes, I'm using OBS Studio. एंड इट्स अ गुड टूल. यू कैन ऑल्सो स्ट्रीम, तुम स्ट्रीम भी कर सकते हो, यूट्यूब लाइव स्ट्रीम भी कर सकते हो और रिकॉर्ड भी कर सकते हो. सो इट्स अ गुड टूल और इट्स एन ओपन सोर्स. Now for the video editing, I'm using Premiere Pro. It's a user friendly tool. मतलब सबके लिए नहीं है. For example, there are lots of things, but it's थोड़ा टाइम लगता है सीखने में. But after learning, you can easily edit your podcasting with some animations या effects. And if you are a beginner and तुम्हें editing करना है, then you can prefer Filmora, KineMaster, and it's drag and drop tools. Now the last website which I'm using for designing purposes is Canva. Generally I'm using Canva for thumbnail creation. Like जो भी तुम देखते हो YouTube पे मेरे इतने अच्छे जो डिज़ाइनिंग thumbnails होते हैं, so वो सब किससे बने होते हैं? They are built on Canva. So for the designing stuff I'm using Canva. And so these are the tools and the software which I'm using. सो या अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, कमेंट कर देना एंड शेयर कर देना. एंड ऑल द सॉफ्टवेयर टूल्स एंड ऑल द सॉफ्टवेयर वेबसाइट्स एंड द टूल्स आर मेंशन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक दिस आउट एंड स्टे ट्यून फॉर द अपकमिंग पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स. सो या बाय, सी यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.